know what you have to do. Remember, no one, and I mean no one, comes into our house and pushes us around.
All right, fellas. We started this thing, and now we're at the top. Everybody's trying to knock us off. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's us versus them. And we must protect this house. Man, what's he doing here with that?
Chill, he's on your squad.